Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a callout text tracking animation on Capcut. Let's say you want to add a text which basically follows an object in the video and you want to do it in Capcut. Then let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and create a project. Now next we'll go ahead and import the video. So here I've got a car video. So here we have a car which is basically zooming past the camera, and you want to basically add a text which is following the car. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and click on text. Go ahead and bring down the default text. Now you want to go ahead and give this text a name. Now once we have the text on screen, you want to go ahead and make sure it's the same length as your video. Now to enable tracking on this car, where the text will follow the car in the video, go ahead and select the text. At the top right, you want to go ahead and select tracking. Now from here, you want to select motion tracking. And then you want to go ahead and move the yellow box to where the car is. Go ahead and adjust the size. Next, you want to go ahead and move where you want the text to be. So I want the text to be at the top of the car. And now I'll go ahead and tap on start. This will now process the video in the background and will basically start to track the car as it goes through the frames. And now tracking has been completed, so you can go ahead and watch the video. And as you can see, it's tracking the car. And there you go guys, that is how to create a callout text tracking animation on Capcut.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And